Today I'm going to show you how to use a two-post lift. So the lifts that I had installed in the shop are Ford lifts I-10s. One of the reasons I chose the I-10 lift with the spot right arms is because it does have the ability to lift symmetrically and asymmetrically. This basically means that whether I'm racking a car or a truck, I'll be able to get in and out of the vehicle easily. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to pull the vehicle in and we're going to center it on the posts. Typically on a unibody vehicle, the center of gravity is going to be located right behind the front wheels. So when pulling the car in, you're going to want to line up the dash with the posts. For longer vehicles like a truck, the center of gravity is located further back. So when you pull the truck in, you want the front door just past the column. All right, next you're going to want to swing the arms in contact at the factory lifting points. A lot of times with the factory lifting points, when you get under the undercarriage on a unibody car, you'll see notches in the unibody frame that usually locate a factory lifting point. If needed, that comes with extensions that you can use to help access lifting points and also keep the vehicle level while lifting. So next, you're going to use the power button on the actual power unit itself. When you push this button, it's going to raise up the arms so we can make the adapters contact the points on the frame. So if everything looks good, we're going to go ahead and lift the vehicle until all the tires come off the ground. All right, so at this point, we're going to check for the vehicle is level. Then we're going to go to the front of the rear and rock it up and down. If everything's good, we can go ahead and raise the vehicle to the desired height. And always remember to lower it to its locks. In order to lower the vehicle, we're going to want to raise it up off of its locks first. Then pull down and hold the lock release while pushing in the lowering lever. If you like this video, please take a second and subscribe to the Ford Lift page and see some of our exciting videos at the Fast Ford Garage.